Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about DS Ran's review? If yes, then watch this video till then, because we are going to share unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or you should stay away from this store, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this online portal. DS Ran is an online e-commerce platform that provides various items like clothing, electronic items and various daily necessity products. When we check out the website, we found that either it is useful for you or not, and it is increasing its reach among the people worldwide by increasing its market, and it aims to develop international market as online markets are spread across the world. So you must check out the legitimacy of the site. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is e-commerce site selling different products from clothing to other accessory. It is just 4-month-old website. They have mentioned their contact detail and email address. They are accepting online payment methods. No reviews are found. You can return the product within 30 days of your purchase. No social media accounts have been attached. It is HTTPS certified website. The website has a wide variety of collection that includes clothing and accessories of daily necessities. It has become one-stop destination for online shopping. It has a return policy of 30 days, within which you can check the product, and if any issue occurs you can return your product. The negative point of the site are the website domain is very new and therefore it is suspicious. There is no social media presence on the website. There are no reviews about this website that can claim its legitimacy. There is no transparency about the owners of the website, as the owner information are hidden. Here question is DS Ran's legit. As we are checking out certain parameter, we are going into depth to check out the legitimacy. We found that it is newly created website. It was created on 22nd July 2021, around about 4 months old website. The owner's details are hidden. It makes the website suspicious. Moreover, another factor about the authenticity of the website depends on the social media present, and we could not find any social media accounts that is related to this website. This again make the website suspicious. No doubt the website is HTTPS certified. That means your data is secure, but this cannot decide the website authenticity alone. As we all know that customer review help us to decide about the legitimacy of the website. So when we check out the customer reviews on this website, we could not find any customer review about the site. There is no review on the official platform or even on any other social media platform. It is too young and it is obvious that the customer would not have responded to it. So till we get the information for you, and it is suspicious. So from our point of view, we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store, because it is not a legitimate website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience with us. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box about your experience of shopping and your views about dsrans.com.